Crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to Crypto Insights, your unlimited source for all things blockchain and crypto. Today we are delving into the world of Filecoin, a revolutionary decentralized store system that on a mission to reshape how we store and retrieve data. I am your host Krishna Sharma and let's dive into the fascinating realm of Filecoin. So, first we have introduction to Filecoin, which is storing humanity's information. Filecoin launched a through $205 million ICO in 2017, envisioned itself as the decentralized storage solution for humanity most crucial information developed as an initiative layer for the interplanetary system file. So, Filecoin bring a peer-to-peer storage network where users pay for data storage and distribution services using FIL. So, its native currency. So now we will discuss about the who are the founders of Filecoin, architects of decentralized storage. John Bennett, the founder of Filecoin, is not stronger to groundbreaking technology as the mastermind behind the interplanetary file system. So he led the groundwork of the Filecoin in 2014. John Bennett's vision was to create a decentralized storage system that leveraged the principle of blockchain to ensure data integrity and accessibility. So, next is unique aspects of Filecoin, a storage revolution. So, where sets Filecoin apart? First is decentralized storage. Filecoins aims to combat the pitfall of decentralized in cloud storage, offering a decentralized alternative. User become consistent on their data, making it easily retrieval and resist to censorship. So next is blockchain based proof mechanism. This is very important. Filecoin employs proof of replication and proof of space time to secure the network. These mechanisms ensure that miners are genuinely storing and preserving data, enhancing the integrity of entire system. So now we have how Filecoin work. So Filecoin operates through three primary participants. So first is client, storage miner, and retrieval miner. So client, what does by client? So individual or entities paying for storing or retrieving data. Now storage miner, nodes responsible for storing client data and receiving rewards in FIL token. So retrieval miner extract data for client upon you request and contributing to the dynamic retrieval market. So the interaction involved transaction, information exchange, and micro transaction all executed in FIL token. So FIL tokens, what this is? So first is protocol governance. FIL govern the network including upgrade through a decentralized governance model. Second is value capture and staking used for protocol fee value capture, staking, and securing the network through a POS mechanism. Definitary tokenomic. So FIL follows a definitary model with 60% of fees from DApps. So entering a weekly buy back a burn auction. So Filecoin security measures proof mechanism and node competition. So Filecoin security hinge on proof of replications and proof of space-time nodes. Particularly retrieval miners complete to serve client rapidly. So earning FIL fees, storage miners continuously compete for storage contract ensuring the preservedness of files with unique copies. So here we have where to bind Filecoin. If you are eager to get your hand on FIL tokens, major exchanges like Gemini, Kraken, and Huobi offer a gateway to acquire Filecoin. As always, conduct through a research before making any investment decision. So, what are the benefits of Filecoin? So first is reduced storage cost, global community, utilization of existing resources, decentralized security. So This is conclusion. As we conclude our exploration on Filecoin, it's evident that the decentralized storage solution is making waves in the crypto space. So, if you enjoyed this journey into Filecoin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thought in the comment below. For more cutting edge content, keep exploring the possibilities of blockchain with crypto insights. So, see you in the next episode.